Today, Nashville hot fried chicken sandwich. That's right, hot fried chicken sandwich. And the Nashville, oh my goodness, I'm smoke's coming out of my ears, okay? Because I'm just thinking, how hot can I get this baby? You're gonna find out. I'm Chef Don McMillan, and today is just gonna be, it's a wonderful day because there's so much hot, so much heat coming up. I've been cooking for 60 years and loving every minute of it. Learned cooking techniques from around the world that I'm willing to share with you. And this one is even closer to home because we're taking a page from Nashville and we are going to kick it up so much. You're going to love it. Now, please, we want you to go ahead and ring that bell, subscribe, and also contact me down below in the comments. I'd like to get back to you. Let's talk about some hot recipes that we have, and today is not going to be any exception. Okay, spread out in front of me is like everything in my kitchen cabinet. Well, not really, just lots of good spices. So first of all, I want some buttermilk, but you know what? When I go to the supermarket, you got to buy like a quart or a half gallon. You don't need all that, right? You only need one recipe. What I do, I take some regular milk. You got that already in your refrigerator. And for every cup, I put a teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice if you have it. So I've got some white vinegar right here. And let's just put a couple of teaspoons right into these 2 cups of milk right there, okay? And move that off to the side, give it a little stir, let it set for a few minutes. The milk will start to curdle and you've got your buttermilk, okay? And this works good on lots of recipes, like if you're baking and you need buttermilk for buttermilk biscuits or something. This is what to do, okay? Now, while that's happening, I've got my chicken breast trimmed. It's really ready to go. But let's go ahead and make this batter. Yes, batter. So, to start with the batter, I'm going to start with some flour. I'm going to place it right here into my large bowl. And then we're going to add in there cornstarch. That's going to help make the chicken, the batter stick to the chicken, okay? Hot sauce. Let me go ahead and pour that into our buttermilk. Whoa, get that hot sauce in there. Your favorite brand of hot sauce, whatever that may be. Garlic powder, garlic salt, right in there. Cayenne and paprika, right in there. Let's get it all in there. Oh, that's going to be spicy. Seasoning salt. So we're not adding regular salt, just seasoning salt, and it is going to be even much more flavorful. Black pepper. Give this a nice stir. Mix all your ingredients very well together before we add in the liquid. Okay, turn on my oil, make it nice and hot. I'm looking at 350 degrees temperature on my frying oil. If you want, you can use a cast iron pan. You'll just have to turn your chicken a couple of times. That's okay too, all right? We're gonna use some of this oil later too when I make my dipping sauce, but that's later, okay? Let's go ahead and start this. And now let's mix in our hot sauce with our buttermilk and pour it right in here and form our batter. Yes, and stir it all up until all the dry ingredients are mixed right inside. All right, it's starting to look good. Now remember, if you touch any of these hot ingredients with your fingers, don't rub your eyes, okay? That you'll know about it. That'll be the first and last time you do it. All right. There it is. There's our batter. So now what you can do, when you're gonna do multiple pieces of chicken, I would just go ahead and put them in the batter and then just set them on a pan so that you'd have them all ready to go into the hot oil. So let's just check my temperature on my oil. Be sure I've got it at 350 because I don't want it to be too cold or hot. So 325 is about the minimum, 375 is the maximum, 350 is absolutely perfect. for cooking fried chicken. And remember, whenever we cook fried chicken or chicken in any way, we're going to cook it to 165 degrees internal temperature. And I have this thermometer in my hand that's also going to measure how hot or how cold the chicken is, and then we'll know when to do that. So we're just about there. I just want to be sure this oil is hot enough. Tongs, and let's go ahead and coat our chicken with this batter. Look at that. Now, I want to shake off some of the excess batter. As I said, you could put it on a sheet pan and that would work just as well. And we're going to go ahead and place it right into our hot oil. All right. All right, listen, I'm just checking the chicken now. It's been in there for a while. Remember I said 165? I'm checking it right along. I don't want to overcook it or undercook it. It's looking beautiful, I might say, okay? And not there yet. We got a little while to go. So while that's happening, let's go ahead and make our sauce, because when it comes out, you think we kicked this up enough, we're going to kick it up even more. So I have here a cup of the oil. Now I've got some oil that we had used before. You can use the same oil if you wish, okay? And to that, we're going to add some brown sugar, a little sweetness, okay? Some garlic powder, okay? Smoked paprika, chili powder, and I know you're gonna say, what the heck is this guy doing? Cayenne pepper. All right, don't sue me now if you eat, it's too hot for you. But we did say it was the hottest fried chicken you've ever put in your mouth. We did say that. And this is our Nashville brand. This is what we're calling it, our Nashville hot fried chicken sandwich. So, masochists out there, celebrate. It's time to unite, because this is the ticket. All right, I think it's showtime, but I'll tell you in just a second. Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. Come on, just a couple more degrees. Let me get to 165 and we're gonna be good to go. It's getting there. It's almost like that countdown where the rocket ships are gonna go up in the air, right? It's almost there. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put it on the paper toweling just for a second. I know it's dark, and that's because we got all those red peppers and everything in there. We don't care about that. We care about flavor. So now, while it's still hot, hook it up right into the juices, roll it around, make it happy, make it, oh my goodness. Oh, heat, heat, heat. Now, here's our plate. I have my brioche bun. Just pick it up and it's crunchy. Oh, I can just hear that crunch, 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 crunch. Right on the brioche bun, just like that. And man alive, look at this. Doesn't that look good? All right, the finishing touches. We're gonna put some pickles on here. That's not the only thing not hot, huh? Let's get some pickles right on there. Let's hook up our sandwich. Oh my word, look at this. This is my version of a Nashville hot fried chicken sandwich. Remember, you certainly want to hit the like button, hit that bell, let me know how much you like it, hit your comments down below, okay? Tell me your fiery statements, your fiery comments, love to hear that too. And remember, check us out on Patreon. We'd love for you to sign up for that. We're gonna give you exclusive video. You're gonna get to see the videos before anybody else sees them, okay? As well as gonna give you behind the scenes action and so much more, and we're not even gonna put any ads. So that's the best. So check us out. We've got so much more. And if you love fried chicken sandwiches, you're gonna love this. Now, I know this is gonna be simple and delicious, but I'm gonna add another adjective to that. This is gonna be simply fiery hot and delicious chicken. You're gonna love this.
Yeah, let's try it out.
Let's do that. Yes.
I've always wanted to know how they make this chicken. It's
Wow.
so hot. Wow, that's a nice looking sandwich.
All right. Well, we'll divide it up and see.
Juice is just flowing out of it.
I know. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1,
Cheers.
2, 3.
Wow.
That heat is penetrating.
It's spicy.
Oh my God.
That's a good piece of chicken.
Great googa mooga.
It is spicy.
This is hot. Woo! Oh my goodness. Man,
Wow.
now you can hear me breathing fire all the way in Nashville now.
All those people that like spicy foods.
This is it. This is it. It's a good thing we got some cold beer in the refrigerator. I'm telling you, we're going to use that. Damn.
That sandwich, how thick it is.
Mm.
So much meat.
If you're into spicy, this is the ticket.
Oh yeah.
Definitely, definitely. Check out the rest of our videos. We got a lot more. They're not all this hot, but they're good. This is
You
hot.
had the spice in the breading.
Uh-huh.
You had the extra spice in the sauce.
Yeah.
Dipping sauce.
I know.
Oh man.
It was real spicy.
That's probably one of the
Hottest things.
hottest
Dishes we ever made.
dishes we ever made.
Ah.
As far as a chicken sandwich is concerned. This beats out the Popeyes and anybody else who's got the chicken sandwich. This is the hottest chicken sandwich I've ever had.
It is hot.
This is very hot.
Yeah. It definitely beats Popeyes. Popeyes is good, but this is hot.
Yeah.
But anyway, you're going to get the recipe right down below. You're going to love that recipe. Make it for your friends, you know, maybe getting together watching some sports on TV is a great thing to have. Just be sure you got something cold, some nice cold beverages to wash it down with.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, it is good. All right, think Mama like that?
Oh yeah, she'll love it.
Okay, I think she would. Yeah.
See you in the next video.